Now you have studied whether the corporation has intimated
No, my lord. Yes, my lord.
by 14th of
Yes, yes.
by 14 July
By
2025.
12th, my lord,
When
it
you,
was
when you have
intimated.
resubmitted the plan
On 14th, my lord, I have handed off.
on 14 July,
14th,
on-
14th August, my lord.
on 14th August.
Yes, my lord.
So that is within time. Yes. What is the steps taken by the corporation?
My lord, my instruction, my lord, actually missed the list. Actually, list has not come. That is not the point. The issue is, my lord, on the last occasion, my officer told that no plan has been submitted on the last occasion. The court was seized of there. My lord, now, my lord, regarding this, my lord,
Plan is resubmitted on 14th August.
14th August today is, my lord, that
And court directed on receipt
Lord.
of intimation from alleged contender number 2, on receipt of intimation from alleged contender number 2, alleged contender number 1, one shall take necessary steps within 4 weeks thereafter, and plan is to be resubmitted by 7 days thereafter. Plan was resubmitted.
that is
Now, after resubmitting the plan, alleged contender number 2 shall take necessary steps which will facilitate repairing construction of the premises in question.
my lord, that is the plan was probably your lordship's order. That is the
Yes, Mr. Ghosh.
Well, I have not been updated information with me, my lord.
But it has been in terms of the last order passed by this court on 11 July 2025. It was intimated by contender number 2 to the applicant that these are the things which are required to be taken care of. Now, based on which plan was resubmitted on 14th July, on 14th August. Now, after that, there was a direction come to the order passed by this court on 11 July 2025.
My lord. Well, I've seen your lordship's order.
Yes.
Your lordship said, my lord, that whatever the formalities required to be done, they will comply with the order. Comply with that formalities, my lord. As I was reported on the last occasion.
No. In terms of the last order, already steps have been taken up to the stage of resubmitting plan by the by the petitioner, by the contender number 1. Now you are to take steps in terms of the last order.
Last order is right, my lord. But the thing is,
what steps court wants to know what steps you have taken so that repairing or construction can be made. Court wants to know that the steps which are taken by the
14th August, he has submitted a plan as a fine form is a letter to the Director General and Deputy Chief Engineer Building. That letter has been, my lord, Director General Building in his office has been submitted, not to the Deputy Chief Engineer who was directed to be considered by your lordship. Now the person, my lord, the assistant, the immediate executive engineer who normally looked after everything, then it is placed before the Deputy Chief Engineer. He is, my lord, not, my lord, in the office right now for his personal family's, my lord, the sudden illness or for these reasons. But I'll look at the 14th August, well, the letter is there. You know, she takes it up next Friday. I'll, my lord, take exact instruction, my lord.
What Friday will be the holiday?
Why, see, my lord, and you know, she takes it, you know, she fortnight, you know, she makes it, and I'll, my lord, have a talk with the officer. And
Lawyer advocate representing contender number 1 submits that in terms of the order dated 11 July 2025, plan was resubmitted on 14th August 2025 before the corporation, concerned authority of corporation.
what is that?
Stop. Now, now Deputy Chief Engineer within bracket North, being the alleged contender number 2, is required to take steps in order to facilitate repairing / construction of the premises in question. Stop. Next paragraph. Learned advocate No, Mr. Alok Kumar Ghosh, learned advocate representing alleged contender number 2, has prayed for accommodation for taking steps as per order dated 11 July 2025. Stop. Next paragraph, alleged contender number 2 is directed to take necessary steps in order which would take necessary steps which would permit the alleged contender number 1 to start repairing to permit the alleged contender number 1 to commence repairing / construction of the premises in question. Stop. Hearing of this matter stands adjourned till 12 September 2025.
I look into that matter. But regarding the compliance of the certain documents and some other thing, nature of the concern, I have not looked into it. I shall have a discussion. And whatever the requirements required to be done, my lord, I will request.
What are those are the requirements have already been intimated by the by the alleged contender 2 to the alleged contender number 1, based on which resubmitted plan has been.
That has been done, my lord, complete.
Yes.
Because, my lord,
That has been done.
No. You see, my lord, only the plan signed by someone. But
No. Please come to the order dated 11 July 2025. Paragraph 3. Alleged contender 2 is directed to intimate alleged contender number 1 by Monday next 14 July 2025 the requirements and formalities which need to be taken care of before resubmitting the plan in terms of the order.
That is intimated.
Yes. So based on which that has been
That
done.
has been intimated. That has been done. That is what the point where I heard from my officer last.
In one hand, Mr. Ghosh, you are saying that no steps have been taken. Your officer is on leave. And in other hand, you are saying that this has not been done.
These were procedural losses order, my lord.
Then I have to issue rule on the next date. Sorry. Next matter. Ask your officer to take steps.
Item number 3.
এই photographs গুলো দিয়ে দাও. Yes.
Appear for the applicant hearing. Contempt. Old contempt of dismissal. Is বড় এখন দিতে 1912 ওপরে যত please.
Yes, whether the applicant appeared on 26th August.
Yes, my lord, he appeared and 8 schools were shown to him, but he refused to accept any of those schools in the district of Malda, my lord. And he accepted the situation and requested the chairman
Yes.
to give him a school, better school in future, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship,
Do you have
my lord,
anything to
there was
submit?
a direction to file supplementary compliance. Today it is being affirmed.
Not
my lord.
required. Yes.
Lord, kindly considers paragraph 19 and my lordship may take.
Yes.
Kindly see my lord, paragraph 19 of the application.
What does it say?
My lord, two affidavits were affirmed before your lordship during the course of the hearing of the writ petition, my lord. Those two affidavits will find from, I have given a tabulated representation, my lord, that those information were false informations, my lord, which could not have been
Which
corrected.
information?
Those informations which have been placed before your lordship by the commission during the course of hearing of the writ petition, my lord.
Did you appear on the date? August 21st, did you appear? Now, whether the vacancies were shown to you,
Yes, my lord.
you did not accept any of the vacancies.
Oh, my lord.
So then what else court can do?
Lord, this is a contempt application. my lord.
Yes,
My lord, in my respectful submission, making a false statement on oath
false statement relating to what?
relating to the, my lord, position, the status of the vacancy, my lord. Kindly sees, my lord, just once these paragraph.
File a supplementary
Compliance
compliance report. Yes.
Statement.
Not necessary. Let me dispose of the contempt application. Yes.
May I
Because he is not disputing that the petitioner did not appear. Contempt application is taken up for consideration when learned advocates representing the applicant and alleged contemners submits that applicant appeared before the alleged contemner number 1 on 21st August 2025, when available vacancies were shown to him for issuing order of transfer. However, it is jointly submitted that the vacancies which were disclosed or vacancies which are shown to the applicant was however কি বললাম however it is jointly submitted that none of the vacancies shown to the applicant on 21st August 2025 was accepted by the petitioner for his transfer. Next paragraph. In view of aforesaid situation and taking note of the fact that previous two vacancies are not lying vacant, no further order need be passed on this contempt application, comma, contempt application stands disposed of and contempt proceeding stands dropped. So, next paragraph. However, this order shall not preclude the applicant to apply for transfer in future in accordance with law.
statement, my lord.
Urgent xerox certificate. Next.
I'm led by Dr. Patron.
Item
Dismiss ourselves. Dismiss. দাঁড়া এখন লিখতে এখন থরের মতো করে।
issue. At the time of call, no one appears for the applicant and no accommodation is paid for. Next paragraph. Same situation prevailed on 4th July 2025. Stop. It appears applicant has lost faith in the fate of the contempt application. Stop. Next paragraph. The contempt application stands dismissed. Stop. Parties to act on the server copy. Next.
Item number 5.
এইট অগস্ট দেখো তো আগেরটা কি বলেছে
আগেরটা 4 জুলাই
সেম সিচুয়েশন প্রিভেলড অন 8
জুলাই
yes 4th July same order single applicant same order
Item number 6.
4th July single applicant same order
No, Your Lordship, Your Lordship, I'm praying for grant so that I can file my reconstruction of the brief. Kindly,
matter was taken up previously on 4th of July no one appeared prior to that matter was taken up on 4th of April no one appeared and today you are praying for construction of brief
yes, Your Lordship.
where is the contempt where is the contempt the contempt petition
Yes, Your
old
Lordship.
contempt petition of 2012 what remains on 4th of April no one appeared on 4th of July no one 2025 no one appeared I can hear you if you can place the case
Your Lordship, but brief is lying in the department.
Esho. Matter at the time of call, accommodation is paid for you are appearing for the applicant.
Petitioner, yes, Your Lordship.
Accommodation is paid for on behalf of the applicants. Stop. Next paragraph. Contempt application was taken up for consideration first on 4th April 2025 and subsequently on 4th July 2025 when no one appeared for the applicants. Stop. Therefore, next paragraph. Therefore, prayer for further accommodation as made on behalf of the applicants is refused. Stop. Client advocate representing the applicants is given opportunity to place the case. Stop. However, now place the case, comma, place the case. Stop. Matter is not argued. Stop. In view of aforesaid situation, this court does not find it necessary to keep the contempt application pending further. Stop. Contempt application stands dismissed. Next. At the applications, if any pending, also stands dismissed.
Okay.
Oh, retail. ঠিক। ফেলে দাও, application টা করুন।
Item number 8.
Single applicant 4th July. Same order.
Item number 9.
Single applicant 4th July, same order.
Item number 10.
Single applicant, 4th July 2025, same order.
Item number 11.
Single applicant, 4th July 2025, same order.
Item number 12.
Applicants, 4th July 2025, same order.
Item number 13.
Single applicant, 4th July 2025, same order.
Item number 14.
Single applicant, 4th July 2025, same order.
Item number 15.
Issue. Order, report dated 5th August 2025. of the Assistant Register within bracket mandamus hyphen Roman 2 close bracket is perused. Stop. Next paragraph. At the time of call, no one appears for the applicants and no accommodation is paid for. Same situation prevailed on 4th July 2025. Stop. It appears, next paragraph, it appears applicants have lost faith in the fate of contempt application. Stop. Next paragraph. Contempt application stands dismissed. Parties to act on the server copy.
Item number 16.
At the time of issue. At the time of call, no one appears for the applicants and no accommodation is paid for. Stop. Next paragraph. Same situation prevailed on 4th July 2025. Stop. It appears applicants lost faith in the fate of the contempt application. Stop. Next paragraph. Contempt application stands dismissed. Next paragraph. Parties to act on the server copy of the order duly downloaded. দাঁড়াও call the next matter.
Item number 17.
শোনো অর্ডার হবে আগে 8 August 20. না same situation prevailed on 4th July 20. Same single application. Next.
Item number 18.
Same order, single applicant, 4th July.
Item number 19.
ভালো single applicant, 4th July, same order, 4th July 2025.
Item number 20.
Applicants, same order, 4th July 2025.
Item number 21.
I am appearing for the petitioner led by Mr. Saptangshu Basu. Already this contempt application has been filed challenging for violation of the order dated 29 August 2022. passed by Honorable Justice Mosmi Bhattacharya. When this contempt application was filed, that was filed by the learned advocate Surya Maiti. Surya Maiti. This contempt application was filed by learned advocate Surya Maiti. The petitioner was not aware of that. Subsequently, another contempt application was filed, my lord, and that is also pending. My lord, my senior instructed me to submit before you. Let the two contempt applications appear, my lord, in the list. This
So why
number,
if another contempt application is pending, then this contempt application is to be disposed of. In view of pendency of the another contempt application.
with my, this was filed first. First, this was filed, then thereafter another
So
contempt.
that's why the second contempt application is to be taken care.
Yes, I kindly pass in order to that effect, my lord.
Where, what is the number of that contempt
My
application?
lord, CPAN,
Just a minute. Alleging violation of the same
same.
order.
Yes, my lord.
CPAN
1167
of
2023.
1167. What is the date of the order?
My lord, for the violation of
Yes.
29th August 2022.
Another contempt application is pending.
Pending, my lord.
Lord, I have a state, my lord.
My lord, no copy was served, my lord. This is the first time, last time appeared, then today appeared. Well, I don't know how they are appearing, my lord. Contempt application was not served upon them.
It's not served you, how are you are appearing?
My lord, in 818162, I am appearing.
That's I have, sir. That's I have submitted.
18162, there was no direction for serving notice upon the contempt.
My lord, they have served us copy.
You have served.
I don't know, my lord. No. We should do it. There is no direction to
Right in contempt.
Even
Notice is.
My lord, CPN 1167.
yes, that is that. That is that.
Notice
That
has
is
been
there.
served.
1167 is not before me.
Yes.
It is 1242, CPN 1242.
Oh, we are not appearing.
Then-
Yes,
That matter I am not disposing of. That is not perhaps before me.
my lord.
শুধু ওদের নাম দেবেন এই নামটা দেবেন স্বপন পাল
Shapan Kumar Pal.
at the time of call Mr. Swapon Kumar Pal, learned advocate representing the applicant submits present contempt application was taken out alleging violation of the order dated 29th August 2022 passed on a writ petition being WPA 18162 of 2022. Stop. It is submitted that alleging violation of the same order dated 29th August 2022, another contempt application was filed being CPAN 1167 of 2023. Next paragraph. Next paragraph. In view of pendency of subsequent contempt application being CPAN 1167 of 2023, wherein it is alleged that order dated 29th August 2022 passed by a coordinate bench is violated, comma, this court this court no purpose would be subserved in keeping this contempt application pending. Stop. Next paragraph. Present contempt application being CPAN 1242 of 2022 stands dismissed. However, this order shall not preclude the applicant to press another contempt application being CPAN 1167 of 2023. Stop. Parties to act on the server.
Item number 22.
Issue. At the time of call, no one appears for the applicants and no accommodation is paid for. Stop. Next paragraph, same situation prevailed on 18 July 2025. Next paragraph, it appears applicants have lost faith in the fate of the contempt application. Stop. Contempt application stands dismissed. Stop. Parties to act on the server copy.
Idea number 23.
23, my lord, I am appearing for the alleged contempt number 1. My lord, this my learned friend appearing for the applicant, my lord, is not appearing because, my lord, this contempt application has become infructuous. That is why he lost interest. May I indicate the issues, my lord? Very.
The applicant contempt
Yes.
application is not applicant is not represented
Because
for-
there are two parts of the directions we have complied with, my lord.
issue. At the time of call, no one appears for the applicant and no accommodation is paid. Stop. Alleged container number 1 is represented by learned advocate. Next person. Same situation prevailed on 18 July 2025. Stop. Stop there. It appears applicant has lost faith in the fate of the contempt application. Stop. Next paragraph. Contempt application stands dismissed. Parties to act on the sub.
Complete.
Yeah.
Item number 26.
Yes.
The application is out of the order dated 4th of October 2023 passed by Justice Nizamuddin IC Rasid Denwar. The direction was upon the
Where is the which page order is there? You have annexed the order in the contempt.
report is appearing at page 15, my lord.
Yes, it has not been complied with.
My lord,
It has not been complied with.
not because
No decision was taken.
no.
Which bank?
My lord,
Which bank?
but this is Punjab National Bank.
144 item number for daily application of
Sub notice is learned advocate representing the applicant submit. Learned advocate representing the applicant alleges violation of the order dated 4th October 2023 passed by a coordinate bench on the connected writ petition. Stop. Next paragraph. Learned advocate for the applicant is directed to serve notice enclosing copy of this contempt application and the order passed today upon the alleged contemptor by fortnight from date and file affidavit of service on the next date. Next paragraph. List the matter under the heading old contempt. in the monthly combined list of on list the matter under the heading old contempt on 19 September 2025. Next paragraph. However, it is made clear now. However, pendency of this contempt proceeding shall not preclude the alleged contemptor to comply with the order passed by the court, comply with the order passed on 4th October 2023. Yes.
Item number 192, monthly list of appellate side. আজকে ঢুক এখানে নাম্বারটা দেখো উনিশ হাজার নশো বিরানব্বই তাই তো ঠিক আছে অ্যাপ্লিকেশন একটাই মেনশন অ্যালাউ হয়েছে তাহলে ওর মধ্যে আছে কিনা দেখে না ওইখানটার জন্য ফাইলটা দেখে না
At the time of call, no one appears for the applicant and no accommodation is paid for. It appears applicant has lost faith in the fate of the contempt application. Stop. Contempt application stands dismissed for default. Parties to act on the server copy. Dismissed for defaulted. Huh? Next.
Item number না বলা অসুবিধা the can নেই ক্যানটা হয়তো ফাইল করবে আজকে হয়তো ক্যান ফাইল করবে কিন্তু আজকে দুটো থেকে কোর্ট
Yes, any, you, what is your instruction? You are appearing for whom? Commission. State,
My lord, Mr. Bofu Malik is appearing before the state, my lord. So, my lord,
whether petitioner was medically examined or not.
but I am not, my lord.
Yes, yes, come.
Yes, my lord.
Whether petitioner was medically examined.
I have to flirt.
Yes.
কি আছে বিপ কোথায় আপনি সেই কন্টেন্ট আমাকে
Yes, yes, last occasion you appeared.
আই এম সরি ম্যাডাম সিপের নাম্বারটা
The report was filed by you. So where is further instructions?
নির্মল কুমার
On 7th May, a report dated 7th May was filed on 11th July.
এই বিপ কোথায় আছে এখানেই আছে সানি মিশ্র পরেরটা খুলবো ছুটি করার করবো
Transfer application
Lordship.
due to
Medical,
illness of the wife of the teacher.
my lord.
Court directed the Chief Medical Officer of Health, Diamond Harbour, to
Examine
medically examine and submit a report.
whether any report.
DI submitted that. DI sent several letters, reminders,
My lord.
including letter to the district magistrate.
My lord.
But petitioner was, wife of the petitioner was not medically examined. That's why court directed, yes, due to non-cooperation on the part of the
Lordship.
medical officer of health, order is being violated, directed to implead chief medical officer of health as party.
My lord.
Now thereafter, chief medical officer of health was made party and there was a direction to serve notice upon. Now in the meantime, it so happened that the wife of the petitioner has been medically examined. and
Maybe, my
report
lord.
has been submitted before the DI.
My lord.
So that's why court is asking you that what is your instruction?
So, my lord, kindly give some time. I will come back with your lordship. I have to, my lord. I have missed the brief, my lord. That's what the entire problem has been cropped up. Let me give some time, my lord. I will come back with your lordship in the next occasion with the report and all.
That was taken up on 11th July. Today we are on
I have not said anything. My lord. I am tendering my apology, my lord, since I missed the matter. My lord. Khol এটা খোল।
issue. At the time of call, applicant is not represented. However, Mr. Bosu Malik, learned additional government pleader representing alleged contender number 1. Has prayed for accommodation
Immediate phone call.
to obtain instruction whether wife of the petitioner was examined by the chief medical officer of health South 24 Pargana being alleged contender number 3 or not.
My lord.
Next paragraph. Next paragraph lists the matter under the same heading in the monthly combined list of September 2025 in order to enable the learned advocate for the alleged contender number 1 to take instructions.
My lord, grateful. Immediate phone call. Immediate phone
Next.
call.
Item number 1916.
1916, my application. Copy has been served compliant with your lordship's kind direction, my lord. This is my affidavit of service.
The order has been complied with, his client has received.
Lord, the order was passed on 19th June, long after, my lord, the directions passed by your lordship, my lord, not within the time frame. Your lordship kindly consider that. Lord, this was communicated to or served upon my client on, my lord, 6th August, just prior to the matter being fixed on 8th August.
It was ordered dated 22nd May 2024.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
So, Panchayat, Secretary Panchayat and Rural Development Department has passed.
Has
an order.
passed an order, my lord. They were, my lord, I brought it. Well, they were heard on several occasions, my lord.
On 2 occasions, 6th August 2024 and, my lord, on 17th December 2024.
This is the final order.
This is the final order and it has been communicated to the petitioner on 6th of August.
What is the date of this order?
The 19th June 2025.
Where from you are getting?
My lord, kindly take the last page. Top.
It was communicated on 6th August.
6th of August.
Learned advocates representing the applicant and alleged contemner have jointly submitted that order passed on 22nd May 2024 is complied with, comma, order dated 19 June 2025. Full stop data, full stop. Alleged contemner number 1.
Well, there's only one content.
One content. Alleged contemner passed an order on 19 June 2025 and same was communicated to the applicant on 6th August 2025. Stop. Next paragraph. Hence, contempt application stands disposed of and contempt proceedings stands dropped. Urgent xerox करवे copy.
No, 1918 is same, my lord.
Sentence টা একবার বলো তো, taken on record করে দিতে হবে. Order dated. So, copy of the order dated 19 June 2025 is taken on record.
My lord, 1918 is also same, my lord. Dates are also same.
Call 1918.
Item number 1918.
My lord, communication date is also same, order date also same, my order date also same. Everything is same.
But your lordship's order is also same date.
Same day.
So, everything is same date.
22nd May
22nd May
2024.
2024 was the lordship's order.
And this is also same date, 19 June, communicated on 6th of August.
এটাতে আগে করে দেবে ওই ম্যাটারটা affidavit of service filed on behalf of the applicant is taken on. Previous day. It was communicated also on
Also on 6th of August. All dates are same.
same order করে দেবে.
Except for CPAN number, my lord, everything.
Same order. Affidavit service টা ঢুকছে.
Grateful to your lordship.
Disposed of.
Yes.
Lord, the last matter, Lordship has told me that last time I appear, but I find from the order that one between Ghosh and Jawhar to appear for the contempt number 1, Lord. That's what is making me confused. That all of that Lordship has directed TMOH, my lord. And I find the last order, my lord, that between Ghosh and Jawhar are appearing for
দেখি
the
দাও তো দেখি last
11/7 order.
Why you appear?
420, 400. I don't know, but I was told that I am. That's what I come.
191. Junior was appearing in this matter.
8.
Embarrassing situation সবাইকে পড়তে হয়।
এটা হয়ে গেছে হ্যাঁ এই 19 ওই ম্যাটারটা ডাকো তো CPN 420 of 2025.
Item number 1914.
Yes, correct. Correct. Issue. কেটে দিও। হ্যাঁ, অর্ডারটা একটু পড়ো তো। Applicant is not represented. Interesting. At the time of call, applicant as well as alleged container number 1 are not represented. Stop. Alleged container number 2 is represented by learned advocate. Stop. In order to grant one more chance to the applicant to be represented before this court, hearing of this contempt application stands adjourned. Stop. List the matter under the same heading in the monthly combined list of September 2025.
Great.
আগে মাঝখানে 1916 ও পরপরই দুটো ছিল ওই একটা একটা করে লিড ফাইল এসে নাম্বার পড়ে গেছে
Then, order has been complied.
Order has been complied with. What was the order? Issue. At the time of call, learned advocate representing the applicant submits order passed by this court on the connected writ petition is complied with. Next paragraph. Hence, no order need be passed on this contempt application. Stop. Next paragraph. The contempt application stands disposed of. Stop. Urgent xerox and xerox copy. Next. Is
Led by Mr. Sudeep Chaudhary. This is first time contempt application.
not complied with.
No, Lordship, the order is that school authority is directed to forward the transfer application to the DI, and DI also forwarded the transfer application to
So who has not complied with the order?
SSC. It is pending before SSC. Though there is no specific direction upon SSC.
When the order was passed, 8 August.
8 August.
But there was no direction upon School Service Commission.
But
Come to page 3 of the order. Where is the direction?
SSC is the ultimate authority and
No contempt lies. There is no direction upon the School Service Commission. How contempt application is maintainable?
Since they are the party,
No. There is no direction upon the School Service Commission.
there is no direction.
So then how contempt lies?
Stated.
DI has forwarded it to the commission. There is no contempt. How
That
contempt application is maintainable?
is the better question. I should find a case. Since my lord, they are the party in
Yes,
the
sir.
application. Since they are the party of the ladies, sir.
Learned advocate representing the petitioner, learned advocate representing the applicant, alleges violation of the order dated 8 August 2024, passed on the writ petition being WPA 19075 of 2024. Stop. Stop. It is also submitted that those steps were taken by the school authority as well as District Inspector of Schools AC Barakpur, but concerned authority of West Bengal Central School Service Commission till date has not decided the transfer application of the petition. And as such, there is violation on the part of the West Bengal Central School Service Commission, and there is violation of the order by the concerned authority of the West Bengal Central School Service Commission, or by the alleged contempt record. Violation of the order by the alleged contempt. Next paragraph. However, on perusal of the order dated 8 August 2024, it appears that directions were given upon the school authority as well as District Inspector of Schools AC Barakpur to take steps for processing the transfer application of the petitioner. Stop. However, no direction was given upon the concerned authority of the no direction was given upon the alleged contemner to take steps. Next paragraph. In view of aforesaid consideration, it is found that contempt application is not maintainable. Stop. Contempt application stands dismissed. Urgent xerox certificate copy.
Appearing for the commission.
No notice. What commission?
First time.
First time contempt.
Yes.
Item number 1922.
Is the first time. Lord, 13 February 2025, order was
Yes.
passed. 13 February 2025, order was passed upon the District Inspector of School AC Murshidabad to release the arrear in salary, which was the granted by way of the granting higher scale of
Order dated 13
February
February
2020.
Just a minute.
And it was received on
Huh? Yes.
Just I have heard from forum. 20th February 2025, he has received the order. Have communicated.
It has not been paid. Arrear has not been
No,
paid.
no,
Arrear has not been
not
paid.
paid.
Issue.
But my lord, contemner has been changed after filing
Oh.
this
Then you have to amend
amendment.
the serve notice. DI has been changed.
DI has been.
Issue. Learned advocate representing applicant submits. Now, representing applicant, learned advocate representing applicant alleges violation of the order dated 13 February 2025. However, it is also submitted that new incumbent has joined as District Inspector of Schools, AC, Murshidabad, being alleged contender. Now, AC Murshidabad being alleged contender. District Schools, AC Murshidabad. Therefore, leave is prayed for to amend the cost title of this contempt application. Next one. Leave is granted to the learned advocate representing the applicant to amend the cost title of the contempt application in course of this day and add present incumbent as additional alleged contempt. Stop. Next paragraph. Learned advocate for the applicant is further directed to serve notice upon the alleged contemners enclosing copy of the contempt application and the order passed today by 3 weeks from date and file affidavit of service on the next date. Next paragraph, list the matter under the same heading in the monthly combined list of October 2025. Yes, both the contemners you have to serve. The present alleged contemner. আচ্ছা তাহলে কাজ করে additional alleged contempt. Next.
Contempt application first time. I am the alleged contemptor, though copy has not been served. But well, in this order under contempt, my lord, I have filed an application for modification. That is,
Who is for the applicant?
well, applicant is the petitioner. Well, this petitioner, my lord, Orko Nondi, Shudipto Dashgupta appeared in this matter. Well, your lordship direction was just to issue appointment letter to the petitioner under compassionate grant and time was fixed. But when the police verification report came, my lord, it was found that criminal case pending, she is a charge sheeted employee and that has not been disclosed while filling up the form of verification.
When you have filed the application for modification?
My lord, it has also been received by Mr. Dashgupta, my lord. My lord, it has filed on 12th February 2025.
Contempt was filed on 2nd July. Oh, prior to that, you have filed modification application.
Lordship. And
Have you served notice upon the?
Received on 17th February 2025. Well, I have that his engrossment over here. After receiving this modification application, my lord, he filed this contempt application.
Order is dated 4th October 2023.
Lordship.
2020, no, there is the order passed by the appellate court. Just a minute. 22nd January 2025.
Your lordship's order was on 22nd January 2025. And modification application filed in the month of February 2020. 12 February 2020.
Issue. Serve another notice and count.
Well, on the next day when the matter appears, this modification application may also
appearing in the list.
No, it's not.
Oh.
Can 1 of 2025.
This is item number 1923. Yes, can 1 is there.
The list. তাহলে আছে Indian law.
along with the read can one against 1923.
Also, my lord, it is appearing. I'll serve a notice, your lordship.
Why two can one?
I have filed only one.
Oh, the system in
Yeah.
No one appears on behalf of the applicant in the contempt application being CPAN 1163 of 2025. 1163 of 2025. Stop. In the contempt application, there is an allegation of violation of the order dated 22nd January 2025 passed on the connected writ petition being WPA 517 of 2025. Stop. Miss Kweli Bhattacharya, learned advocate representing. You are for the board.
Not.
West Bengal Board of Secondary Education. Submits that an application being Can 1 of 2025 was filed on 12th February 2025 seeking recalling and or modification of the order. Same order dated 22nd January 2025. So, learned advocate representing board prays for hearing of the modification application being Can 1 of 2025 prior to hearing of the contempt application. Have you filed affidavit of service?
No, my lord, not filed. We file in the next, not.
Next paragraph, the learned advocate for the applicant in Can 1 of 2025 is directed to complete service of notice upon the respondents as well as petitioner respondent by 10 days from date and file affidavit of service on the next date. Stop. List the application along with contempt application. Now, list the application being Can 1 of 2025 along with contempt application being CPAN 1163 of 2025. On 19 September 2025 under the heading application. Next. We got letter. Application document. No. 194. 945. আমি আসছি 12টা বাজে। What for? What has happened to you? He was appearing in one, yes, that we know, all know. There was, he was admitted? He was in one matter, he is appearing before me as a special officer. Resolution has been taken by the absence of. Very good. It is up to the members of the bar whether they. Yes.
না আছিস তো পরেরটা না বিলকুল বিলকুল তোকে করতে বলছো
Yes. Item number 1.
I'm secondly good.
I'm for the applicant led by Mr. Sudip Goswami. This is application for rectification the cause title. In the title of the petitioner, it is written as Amit Mira instead of Amit Mitro.
You are appearing for the board.
Lordship.
I am for the commission. My lord, matter was disposed of, my lord. My lord, in the writ petition, my lord, the surname of the petitioner has wrongly recorded as Amit Mira.
It was mentioned before.
Mentioned.
Have you served notice upon all?
Yes.
School authority is not represented. Now, I generally, if there is resolution, we are considering this matter. Yes, so what is, what correction is required?
Amit Mira is written, it is to be written as Amit Mitro. It is written as Amit
Mira.
Mira. T.
তাহলে ইয়ে নি লিভ নিয়ে কারেকশন করতে হবে রিটটা
না না এটা ভুল করবে
রিটেই ভুল আছে
তাহলে লিভ নি পারবে
এটা রণজিৎ নয়, এটা অমিত বেঁচে গেছে। In the order dated 3rd September 2024.
There was no wrong on the part of the court, my lord. It was wrongly recorded by the petitioner itself.
That's why court did not correct the order, directed the granted leave to file an application. Yes, because previous all orders it is stated that Amit Mira.
Yeah. Liberty to correct the word.
Issue. Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the applicant is taken on record. Next paragraph. The application being 10/1 of 2024, prayer is made for correction of the order dated 3rd September 2024. Then, in the cause title of the said order, name of the petitioner was transcribed as Amit Mira, M-I-R-A, Mira, instead of Amit Mitro. Stop. However, it is averred in paragraph 2 of the writ petition, in paragraph 2 of the application, that there was mistake on the part of the applicant, there was mistake on the part of the writ petitioner in describing or in stating his name in the cause title of the writ petition. Stop. In the cause title of the writ petition, name of the petitioner was stated as Amit Mira instead of Amit Mitru, quote unquote, sub quote. It is stated in the present application that correct name of the petitioner is Amit Mitru. Based on which action, based on which prayer is made for correction of the order dated 3rd September 2024. Next paragraph, West Bengal Board of Secondary Education and West Bengal Central School Service Commission are represented by learned advocates. Next paragraph. There is an admission on the part of the petitioner / applicant that correct name of the petitioner / applicant is Amit Mitro, not Amit Mira. Stop. For the ends of justice and equity, prayer of the petitioner or prayer of the applicant, prayer of the petitioner applicant in the present application is allowed, thereby directing the department to correct correct bolbe na, thereby directing the department to incorporate petitioner's name as Amit Mitro instead of Amit Mira in the cause title of the order dated 9 September 2024. Now, in the cause title of the order dated 3rd September 2024. Stop. Next paragraph. The application being Can 1 of 2024 is allowed and disposed of. Urgent Xerox. This is not a correction because there was no mistake on the part of my officer. Yes. Next.
Item number 1946.
Yes.
Substitution application.
Substitution application. Other side. Not today. Next.
On 947.
In this matter, I am for the secondary board lordship.
Applicant. Not today. You are appearing for? Other side? Not today.
1949.
Petitioner, I have sought lordship.
Not today.
1950.
Not today.
1951. On behalf of the petitioner, my lord. Restoration application, my lord. Matter was dismissed on 18 March 2025.
Where is the affidavit of service?
Yes, ma'am. I have served upon the state respondent and all other respondents.
This is not affidavit of service.
Original affidavit of service is the restoration.
You are for the commission.
I am for the commission, my lord.
My lord, I have made a supplementary affidavit.
Issue. Restoration application, let it be allowed. Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken, affidavit of service filed on behalf of the applicant is taken on record. Next paragraph. West Bengal Central School Service Commission is represented by law. Next paragraph. There is there is sufficiency of cause preventing the petitioner from being represented before the court on the date when writ petition stood dismissed for default. Stop. Order dated 18 March 2025 is recalled. Writ petition is restored to its original file and number. Stop. Application being can 1 of 2025 is allowed and disposed of.
My lord, I have made a supplementary affidavit regarding my child's illness certificates, my lord. When the
that is to be considered in connection with the writ petition.
yes,
Why you are making this submission today?
my lord.
Is it at the motion stage or
Yes,
it is at the hearing stage?
Motion stage, my lord. At the motion stage, matter was dismissed for default.
2023 writ petition.
Matter was dismissed.
Matter was called on, nobody appeared for the petitioner.
Yes, my
And now you are filing supplementary affidavit.
yes, my lord. When the matter
List the matter under the heading motion in the monthly combined list of November 2025. Next.
Item number 1952,
Not today.
1953,
1953.
Okay.
This is 1953.
And my lord, we had already signed MONDL as son.
What is the correct spelling? MONDL.
new motion date. Purchase number item.
Sure. Affidavit of service.
With me, my lord.
Why?
But my lord, I have served the notice to the other side, my lord.
You are for the state.
Yes, my senior was there.
But the headmistress is party. This one number 4.
Appearing.
Application being can 1 of 2025 is taken up for consideration wherein prayer is made for incorporating petitioner's name as মিস MISS, হ্যাঁ, মিস কল্যাণী মন্ডল MONDL, কল্যাণী মন্ডল instead of Miss Kollani Mondol MANDA, quote unquote or quote unquote. Stop. Next paragraph. State respondents are represented by learned advocate. Next paragraph. It is submitted by the learned advocate representing the petitioner that inadvertently in the post title of the writ petition, name of the petitioner was described as Miss Kollani Mondol MANDAL, not Miss Kollani Mondol MONDL. Stop. However, correct name of the petitioner slash applicant is Miss Kollani Mondol MONDL, quote unquote. Next paragraph. Application being Can 1 of 2025 is allowed and disposed of by directing the department to incorporate name of the petitioner as Kollani as Miss Miss Kollani Mondol MONDL, quote unquote, in place of Miss or instead of Miss Kollani Mondol MANDL in the post title of the order dated 7th March 2025.
My lord,
Urgent xerox certificate call.
affidavit portion also wrongly typed.
Next.
Item number 1954.
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of the state. My lord.
Affidavit service.
Pending new matter.
Maybe.
He has served the notice. At the time of hearing, my lord, I shall prepare.
No, but in connection with your restoration application, affidavit service is required to be filed. Because state is not the only party. School is party. Where is your affidavit service?
Prepared, my lord.
It affirmed.
Affirmed.
So why you are not filing it? That is in connection with the writ petition.
Connection with the writ petition.
That will not do.
Just connection with the writ petition. They have served only the state, the candidate.
Issue. Can 1 of 2025 is an application seeking recall of the order. Seeking recall, recalling na. Seeking recall of order dated 2nd April 2025. Stop. State respondents are represented by learned advocate. Stop. Next paragraph. Sufficiency of cause is shown, preventing the applicant from being represented before the court on the date when connected writ petitions to dismiss for default. Stop. Order dated 2nd April 2025 stands recalled. Writ petition is restored to its original file and number. Next paragraph. Application being Can 1 of 2025 is allowed and disposed of. List the writ petition under the heading motion in the monthly combined list of November 2025. Next paragraph. Learned advocate for the petitioner is directed to serve notice upon all the respondents, excluding state respondents, enclosing copy of this order by 7 days from date and file further affidavit of service on the next date. Sentence বলো তো চেঞ্জ করে দেবো লাস্ট সেন্টেন্সটা Sir, notice relating to the writ petition.
Item number 1955.
Not today,
1956.
not today. হ্যাঁ কত থেকে? হ্যাঁ
Item number 25 from daily list.
For the statement.
all parties are present. Yes. Where is the school? Not today. Next.
হবে 26.
Not today.
27.
Not today.
28.
Not today.
29.
Not today.
30.
Yes. Call now. Yes. What is the matter about?
I am working as an assistant teacher since 2006 at Matpalsa High School.
At
Matpalsa High School, Birbhum.
Matpalsa.
For a period of 1 year, 4 months, 20 days, I had been working as the headmaster of Langulia High School.
Previously, you were working in another school.
Matpalsa High School. Now I am also working at Matpalsa High School now. For a period of 1 year, 4 months, 20 days, I had been working as the headmaster of Langulia High School.
On transfer. Oh,
No.
previously, you were working as assistant teacher.
In Lien.
Previously, you were working as assistant teacher. Now you are working in another school as headmaster.
Headmaster. Now I am working as an assistant teacher. I came back in Lien.
Came back from the and
Yes,
again you are
headmaster.
working as assistant teacher.
Yes.
Why you have came back? Why you have come back from the post of headmaster to the post of assistant
I
teacher?
am Lien in. I am in Lien, sir.
So it was a better option to work as an headmaster.
But I am removed.
Removed
Yes, school
by
authority.
by the school. Why you were removed?
Illegally I have removed, and
By?
I filed illegally. I have removed by
আপনি বাংলায় বলুন।
একটা ওই রেজুলেশন জাল করে ওরা আমাকে সরিয়েছে স্যার। সেটার জন্য একটা রিট পিটিশন আমি অলরেডি ফাইল করেছি আমার অ্যাডভোকেটের মারফত। তো এই 1 বছরের 1 বছর 4 মাস 20 দিনের যে কাজ করেছি সেটা স্যার 1 বছরের বেতন ঠিকঠাক আছে। এই 4 মাস 20 দিনের বেতনটা স্যার অ্যাপ্রুভাল করে দিচ্ছে না। তার ফলে এই 4 মাস
আপনি এই রিট পিটিশনে কি ওই এরিয়ার স্যালারি চাইছেন?
হ্যাঁ 4 মাস 20 দিনের বেতন
এরিয়ার
পেয়ে
স্যালারি
গেছি।
চাইছেন? 4 মাস 20 দিনের এরিয়ার স্যালারি
না
চাইছেন?
না বেতন পেয়ে গেছি, কিন্তু আনঅ্যাপ্রুভড রয়েছে বেতনটা, এবং ডিআই যে কোনো সময় আমাকে ডিরেক্ট করতে পারে যে আপনি ফেরত দিন টাকা, বা আমার মাইনে থেকে
তাহলে আপনার ওই মাঠপলসা স্কুল কোন স্কুলে চাকরির সম্পর্কিত আপনার বেতন রেগুলারাইজ করার দরকার আছে? লাঙ্গুলিয়া হাই স্কুল।
ইয়েস।
আপনি কি এখন মাঠপলসা স্কুলে কাজ করছেন অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট টিচার হিসেবে? ফিরে এসেছেন, লিয়েনে গেছিলেন, ফিরে এসেছেন। তা লাঙ্গুলিয়া স্কুল তো আমাকে শুনতে হবে লাঙ্গুলিয়া স্কুল কি। লাঙ্গুলিয়া স্কুলের হয়তো আজকে কোনো অ্যাডভোকেট নেই, কেন বেতন দেওয়ার পরেও বেতনের অ্যাপ্রুভাল কি? বেতনের তো কোনো অ্যাপ্রুভাল লাগে না। স্কুল বেতনটা আপনার স্যালারি বিল তৈরি করে ডিআই কে পাঠাবে, এন্ড ফ্রম স্টেট এক্সচেকার ইউ উইল গেট ইট।
ডিডিও ওই পোস্টটা অ্যাপ্রুভাল দেয় স্যার। যেহেতু আমি লিয়েনে এসেছি 1 ইয়ার করে ওরা টেম্পোরারি অ্যাপ্রুভাল দেয়। ফার্স্ট 1 ইয়ার অ্যাপ্রুভাল দিয়েছে, আবার সেকেন্ড টাইম রেজুলিউশন হয়েছে সার্ভিস এক্সটেনশনের, হ্যাঁ আবার সমস্ত পেপারস গেছে অ্যাপ্রুভাল দেওয়ার জন্য।
বেতনের অ্যাপ্রুভাল,
হ্যাঁ পোস্টের
লিয়েনে ছিলেন বলে দরকার পড়েছে।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ পোস্টের অ্যাপ্রুভালটা হেডমাস্টার অ্যাজ এ হেডমাস্টার পোস্টের।
আপনি কতদিনের লিয়েনে গেছিলেন?
আমি 2 বছরে লিয়ে গেছি, তার আগে ব্যাক করে এসেছি। 2 বছর পর্যন্ত আমার lien
কতদিন
পাই।
করে ডিআই ওই অ্যাপ্রুভালটা বেতনের দেয়?
1 বছর করে দেয়।
1 বছরে দিয়েছিলেন,
1 বছরে দিয়েছে।
কিন্তু পরের বছর দেননি।
হ্যাঁ পরের বছরে দেয়নি, মানে আমি পরের বছরে গোটাটা চাইছি না, আমি যতটা কাজ করেছি ততটা চাইছি।
ডিআই তো অ্যাপ্রুভাল দেননি।
না ডিআর কাছে সমস্ত কাগজপত্র দেয়া আছে। এবার
ডিআই কি অ্যাপ্রুভাল দিয়েছে সেকেন্ড ইয়ারের
না, না।
স্যালারি রেসপেক্টে কোনো অ্যাপ্রুভাল
না
দিয়েছেন?
দেয়নি।
ডিআই যখন দেননি তাহলে স্টেটকেও আমায় শুনতে হবে,
হ্যাঁ
আর লাঙ্গুলিয়া স্কুলকেও শুনতে হবে। আজকে তো কেউ অ্যাপিয়ার করছেন না,
বেশ।
তাহলে আজকে এটাকে আমি অ্যাডজার্ন করে রাখছি। মামলা থাকবে আবার সোমবারে। আপনি সার্ভিস করেছেন সবাইকে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
সমস্ত পার্টিকে আপনি সার্ভিস
হ্যাঁ
করেছেন?
ইয়েস মাই লর্ড। হ্যাঁ
Issue. Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record. However, today no one is representing the state response. No one is representing the response. Stop. Hearing of this matter stands adjourned. List the matter under the same heading for further consideration on September 2025.
নো স্যার 9 সেপ্টেম্বর একটা লোয়ার কোর্টে আমার কেস চলে ডেট আছে স্যার।
কি কেস লোয়ার কোর্টে?
ওই জালিয়াতির ব্যাপারটাই আছে স্যার।
ক্রিমিনাল কেস?
হ্যাঁ ক্রিমিনাল কেস আছে।
8 September 2025.
একদিনের গ্যাপে স্যার একটু দুদিন আগে করে দিন, মানে যাওয়া আসা করতে বীরভূম পর্যন্ত যেতে হয়। 2 দিন পিছিয়ে দেন, 2 দিন টাইম দেন আমাকে। 9
11 September 2025.
ঠিক।
Next.
Item number 31,
Not today.
32,
32, I am appearing for the school authorities.
All parties are present?
Yes.
Not today.
33,
Not today.
34,
Petitioner, who is for the state? Not today.
35,
Not today.
36,
Not today.
37,
Other side. Not today.
38,
Other side. Not today.
39,
Not today.
40,
40. Who is appearing for the petitioner? Not today.
41,
41. Who is appearing for the petitioner? Not today.
42,
Not today.
43,
Release of that HRA matter.
HRA matter release করে দেবে তো similar order. Respondent এর কোনো নাম দেবে না, রিলিজ করে দেবে। Yes.
44 is same. 43, 44.
But your resolution is not to
Not
pass
to pass
any
any adverse order.
any order.
Adverse?
No adverse order. Not to pass any order.
For release, I don't think anybody will be prejudiced. But
Not adverse, Ms. Sengupta, not to pass any order.
I think we'll release not
Yes, released.
May I get a kind indulgence? Item 30 is also HRA matter.
Come back on the next date. Sorry, not today.
44,
It's same.
Released.
45,
I'm not releasing all HRA matters. So it has to be seen
Yes.
whether the matter requires release or not. So far Miss Sengupta is concerned, in all matters he is appearing, where matters are to be released. Yes.
45,
Other category of house rent matters I am taking. Yes. Not today.
46,
Release. 46 same order release.
47,
Release. And this is the last one.
Release.
46, 47, release. 48,
Not today.
49,
Not today.
50,
Time for the commission.
Not today.
51,
Time for the commission.
State. State's presence is not required.
Not required.
We'll come back tomorrow. Next day. Not today.
Pending at the end of the commission.
Yes.
But there is some, after the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court, my lord, now the scenario has changed, my lord. We have only one Group D staff in this school, my lord. They are.
So you are opposing?
Therefore, we have.
Not today.
Yes.
Not today.
52,
Not today.
53,
Not today.
54,
Go on calling.
55,
Aste, aste. Slowly.
56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67,
Petitioner. Other side. Not today.
68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73,
All parties. State. State.
F sharp, but
Not today.
74, 75,
from the bar, my lord, we have taken resolution, my lord.
Yes, court is aware of. That's why court is adjourning the matter. But in the matters, both sides are present. Then court will take up the matter. It's up to the members of the bar whether they will appear or not. Yes.
$76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81,
Other side is not today.
82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103,
HRA matter to be released.
You are relying upon Mousumi Bishwas. Released.
100 and 1 at a time.
Not today.
18,960,
Well, this will appear on the monthly list.
Today, not today. Come back on the next date.
18,960,
So which one is HRA? You are relying upon Mousumi Bishwas?
103.
103 released. 103 pass same order, but don't record appearance of the other side. 103. Yes. Call the next matter.
104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140,
Possibly Lordship would release this matter because a similar matter was filed.
Well, let me see.
Released on the earlier.
141, 142, 143, 144,
It was mentioned today in the morning, but was pleased to fix it on, keep it on 8 September.
Which matter? 144.
144, Lord.
8 September.
Mr. Sudipto Dasgupta mentioned this matter.
বলে না কথা বলেন আজই বোধহয় ফাইল হবে আইটেম নাম্বার 145
বার করে দেবে এখান থেকে বুঝলে
146
তুমি এটা না এইখানেই রেখে দেবে Tell Mr. Dasgupta if matter is called on out of as per serial number before the date fixed, then matter will be taken up on that day. If matter is not taken up, then matter is to be কবে fix করা আছে? Then matter will be taken up on 8. But matter will run in the list along with the application which is taken. না কোনো application না. Matter will run in the list, and if as per serial number and matter is taken up, matter will be taken up before 8. If matter is not taken up to 7th, then matter will be taken up on 8. So keep watch on the list. Call the motions. ওটা ইন্ডিকেশন নেই, এই মোশনটা ইন্ডিকেশন নেই, অনলি
My lord, one indulgence, my lord. My lord, today morning, item number 1912 got dismissed for default. Because,
সরি
my lord, petitioner is suffering for high.
সরি
এটা তার মানে এখানেই থাকবে।